I am Dr. Nidhi Gupta, consultant dermatologist, Dr. Gupta's Skin, Hair, Laser and Aesthetic Center, Panchkula. I have been practicing clinical as well as aesthetic dermatology for last 15 years. Today we'll be talking about HIFU. HIFU is a non-invasive modality we are using in anti-aging. We use this for skin tightening and lifting of the face. HIFU basically uses high intensity focused ultrasound. The acoustic waves, they basically enter into the skin. They go into the deeper layers. According to the transducer we are using, in the deeper layers, the acoustic energy converts into heat energy and it leads to the coagulation of protein, and there is contraction of the SMAS layer, which leads to the tightening of the face or the skin, whatever area we are doing. And later on, because of heat, there is new collagen formation, which leads to the further effect, which usually comes around 1.5 to 3 months. So the ideal candidate for HIFU is the patient having mild to moderate laxity and good wound healing. That gives the best result. We can use HIFU for face, for arm, for abdomen, for neck area and for thigh area. It gives the tightening effect there. This is a HIFU machine from Derma India. I have been using for last 1 year. This machine is having two types of probes. We have got a round probe and the linear one. In the round, I'll show you. We have got three types of transducer. It's a 1.5 I'm using with the machine, and others are 3. The round one with 3, 1.5 and 3 mm. They are the depth basically. If you want to work for the superficial dermis, we use 1.5, and if you want to go to the deeper dermis, is 3. In this we have 3 modes. Mode 1 is circular. In mode 2 we have the semicircle, and in mode 3 we get a point. We can adjust the energy. It starts from point 1 and it goes to 2. So we can use on the face, and the machine explains the use of the probes where we are going to use. And the other one, this is the linear probe where we have the linear strokes. So the machine is indicating if we select one area, if we are going for a brow lift, we'll go for the forehead. So in this way there will be the linear pattern of the machine. We can adjust the spacing, which we usually keep 1.5, or we can increase or decrease according to the patient. We can modulate the length also, is usually 25 mm, or we can increase or decrease the length, and the total number of rows we can also adjust. This is the power which goes from 0.1 to 2 for face, and for body we can go to 3 joules for the body. And in the linear one we have single row 4.5, and for the body we use the multiple row. The depths vary depending upon what area we want to do, 3, 6 or 13. 13 is the maximum we are having in this machine. This is a young patient in 30s. She is having mild laxity, so we have planned a HIFU for the patient to give definition to the jawline and a little bit of work on the submental area. Anesthesia is not mandatory. If you feel like the patient is very sensitive, in that case you can apply a numbing cream. Otherwise it's well tolerated by the patient. We'll just clean the area. I'm cleaning the area with alcohol swab. We'll be doing on both the cheeks. We need this marking pen, and I have this handy scale. We just leave this central area. We avoid all the areas with nerves. We'll be working on the lower cheeks. We'll measure it 2.5, and I'll be keeping the length to 2.5. We'll just drop the lines down. This is the one area I'll be working on. Is the area we'll be avoiding. So we'll put a cross here. Also will not go on this area. This is the area to be avoided, and also will not work on we'll mark this area. The central portion of the neck will be avoiding to avoid all the vital structures there. Here the HIFU is not done. So we'll put a cross here. You can work here. We'll be measuring 2.5 and we'll be dropping the lines. And in that way we'll be doing the procedure. I'll keep the auto mode. There is slight erythema after the procedure, and while the procedure, few patients are very comfortable and some feel just like the electricity is going inside the skin. Otherwise usually is very comfortable. You have to very gently glide and keep it in contact with the skin. We get two types of effect with HIFU. One is the immediate one, and later on by the collagen synthesis we get the effect which comes after around 1.5 to 3 months. Patient is very comfortable. The main advantage of HIFU is that there is no downtime. We can do the patient, and in the evening also the patient can go anywhere. There is no downtime. Patient need not avoid sun exposure or any sort of makeup. Patient can apply the makeup and just can go out. And after the procedure also we just ask the patient to apply sunscreen and avoid any sort of massage. Otherwise there is no as such recommendation, and it can be used a very good modality in mild to moderate laxity It gives good result with no dying time. I've been using this machine from Dhamma India, giving good results, and I'm also using this machine in case of arms and abdomen area where I'm seeing good results.